Good morning. Today I will be presenting on the meaning and definition of risk management. Before we begin with definitions, let me ask, can any organization function without facing uncertainty? Whether it's a bank, a company, or even a small business, risk is always present. The real question is not whether risk exists, but how effectively it is managed and where risk management becomes. Risk management is essentially about preparation rather than reaction. Organizations constantly face different types of threats: financial losses, operational failure, strategic mistakes, or even reputational damage. Instead of waiting for problems to occur, risk management focuses on anticipating them in advance. It begins by identifying possible threats, then evaluating how likely they are to occur and how severe their impact could be. Finally, appropriate measures are implemented to either reduce the risk or control its consequences. In simple terms, it is a structured way of protecting an organization's objectives. To understand risk management clearly, we must break into its core concepts. First, uncertainty. Risk exists because the future is unpredictable. Second, exposure. This refers to how vulnerable an organization is to a particular risk. Third, probability. The chances that a certain event may occur. Fourth, impact. How serious the consequences would be if that event actually happens. And finally, control. The actions taken to reduce the likelihood or severity of that risk. These concepts together form the foundation of risk management. Now, moving to the formal definition of risk management. Risk management is not a one time activity, it is a structured and continuous process. It involves identifying risk, assessing their seriousness, prioritizing them based on importance, and then applying coordinated efforts to minimize or monitor them. It is a proactive rather than reactive. Instead of responding after damage occurs, risk management focuses on protecting assets, income, and reputation before problem escalates. The definition includes important operational steps. First is identification, recognizing potential risk. Second is assessment, analyzing both likelihood and impact. Third is prioritization. Not all risks are equal, so organization must focus on the critical ones. Fourth is mitigation, implementing strategies to reduce exposure. And finally, monitoring and control, ensuring that risk measures remain effective over time. This creates a continuous cycle rather than one time action. A strong example of risk management can be seen in the banking sector. Bank deals with various risks such as credit risk, market risk, and operational risk. During the 2008 global financial crisis, poor risk assessment and weak monitoring system contributed significantly to financial instability. After the crisis, banks strengthened this risk framework and adopted stricter regulatory standards. This demonstrates how proactive risk management is crucial for financial stability and long term sustainability. As Warren Buffett wisely said, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. This quote highlights that risk often arises from lack of understanding, poor judgment, or insufficient presentation. Effective risk management ensures informed decision making and reduces uncertainty. To conclude, risk management is an essential managerial function that enables organization to anticipate uncertainties and minimize potential losses. It protects organizational objectives, improves decision making, and ensures long-term stability. In today's dynamic and competitive environment, risk management is not optional, it is a necessity. Thank you.